We're preparing for Christmas and we thought we'd deliver this project a little bit earlier to give you plenty of time to paint it. And this week I'm doing something that is sort of similar to a design project, if you like. So it's a little bit of botanical and a little bit of fantasy. And I've designed this crown, which we're going to put some lovely pyracantha behind it and some imaginary ribbons and a little bit of variegated holly. It's lots of little elements in it, but generally speaking it's quite a nice simple project to do. It just a little bit takes a little bit of time to complete it. But I hope you like the design and I hope you like the idea of doing something like this. And as I say, hopefully there's plenty of time for you to fit it in before all the celebrations.